Hey, have you ever been frustrated and annoyed by the fact that guys aren't asking you out for second dates or they are not pursuing you? Well, in this video I'm going to tell you 4 reasons why men aren't chasing you, so you can avoid them and make guys fall head over heels for you. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to Love Lights. If you're new here, then make sure to grab your free download of phrases that will make any man addicted to you down below in the description. This will make it really easy for you to make him more loving and put on more effort into the relationship. So with that said, let's get into the video. Number 1, you do all the planning. It's really important for men to feel like they are providers. It's important for them to feel like they're planning something in the relationship. Most women think that men don't plan anything in their relationship. But the problem is oftentimes most of us women will jump in too soon, take control and do the planning. When men are planning something, there is a risk in their minds. He's always thinking, is she gonna like this or not? And men just love taking that risk. If you like their idea, then it's a huge win for him. And that will turn into attraction, and it will make him pursue you. So try an experiment where you take a step back and create some space for him to plan. And as he does, you will notice that he is going to pursue that relationship even harder. Number 2, he thinks like he can't win with you. Men want to know if they can win. What does winning look like? He has to know that he can provide what you want. If you're constantly expecting more from him, if you're never happy about the things he provides, then he is going to stop pursuing you. So when you go out with a man, celebrate the things he is doing for you. Let him know that he is making you happy. Because when you make him feel like a king, he will love it and pursue you, since he knows he can provide for you the way you want. Number 3, too fast for him. Here is what I mean. As a man, it's really off-putting if they feel like the girl has fallen in love with him too fast. In their mind, they're thinking, she can't fully know who I am this fast. And if she is fully invested in this relationship, if she has already fallen in love, then something is wrong, because I don't even know what I'm feeling about this relationship yet. So if he feels like this early in the relationship, then he will stop pursuing you, because he will think if he pursues you, then you will be more and more attached to him. And if he end up finding out that's not what he wants, then he will have to cause so much pain and heartache for you. He doesn't want to be the guy who wants to cause so much heartache. So if he thinks the risk of hurting you is too high, then he will leave. There is actually a really simple way to fix this. All you have to do is let him know that you like him, that you're interested in him, but he has to earn his right to be your boyfriend. When he feels like he has to prove himself, it triggers attraction, and that will make him chase you and make him value being your boyfriend. Number 4, he feels like an object. So, when some woman is selecting a man, if she is not choosing him specifically, he will get a sense that he is not special to you. Any man would do, because you're trying to fill a hole in your life. Maybe you've been single for a long time, and you just want a guy to date. You don't care who it is specifically. It could be any guy. And when a woman is thinking like this, he can immediately sense it, that he is one of many guys that you're just selecting to fill your void in life. It can be any guy, but you happen to choose him, and that creates a feeling of not being special at all. What you want to do is make your man feel unique. Make him feel that he is special, and he is selected over all the other options that you have. This is a really easy feeling to create, because all you have to do is compliment his character, not his looks or other things. Tell him what you admire. Tell him what is different about him, and that will go right to the center of his heart, and he will pursue that relationship harder. So, these reasons are the ones that cause him to stop pursuing you, and by avoiding them, you will be able to make him fall in love with you. But these alone are not enough to make him fall in love with you. So, how do you make him fall in love with you? Well, I made a video about that. This video will make a huge difference in your relationship and will lift a huge load off your shoulder, so make sure to watch that.